Which one is correct? A. He don't like coffee. B. He doesn't likes coffee. C. He doesn't like coffee. D. He didn't likes coffee. The correct answer is C. He doesn't like coffee. Explanation. The correct answer is C. With he, she, it, we always use does not or doesn't. After doesn't, we use the base form of the verb. So the correct sentence is, he doesn't like coffee. Which one is correct? A. Go. B. Goes. C. Went. D. Going. The correct answer is C. Went. Explanation. The correct answer is C. Went, because the sentence refers to yesterday, which is past tense. The past form of go is went, so the complete sentence is I went to the market yesterday.